Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you are new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about an empty haul. Now this empty haul includes makeup and skincare. Okay, so I have a lot of products which I have taken around 2.5 months to completely finish them. Okay, so here are some of the products which I will repurchase again, and I love them. And there are products which I regret buying and I don't like them. I will never buy them and I will never recommend them. So if this video might be useful to you, if you are planning to buy such products, then yes, you will have an idea about it, whether you need to purchase them or not. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first product, which is my favorite, I think people who are watching my videos know that I love this toner. Okay, so I have almost emptied 3 bottles of this. Okay, this is from Plum, and this is priced at 390 rupees. I think on my skincare video you can find the review about this, but I will be separately reviewing about this product. Okay, and it comes with 200 ml of product quantity. It is green tea alcohol free toner. I have used all of the 3 and it is totally empty now. And I had purchased a lot of product of Plum, so that's why they gave me this little tiny travel size toner again. So this is also an empty. Okay, there is nothing, so this is empty. So all over 3 is empty product. Okay, and currently I'm trying some other toners, that's why I haven't purchased, or else I think I would have had another 2 bottles with me. And this toner, I am going to repurchase it again. It is the best. Okay, and the next one is okay, now Plum will be available in Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and on Myntra. Okay, so if you want, you can purchase it from those sites. Okay, and the next one is the face wash. It is from Good Vibes. I think in some of my video I have mentioned that I really like this face wash. It is really very nice. So once I had tried the smaller one, and then I got a bigger size. So here you can see it is same charcoal face wash itself. Yeah, same thing. I think they have changed the sticker or something like that. This is a smaller one, this is a bigger one, and I think I have used 2 more bottles of this, and I have reused the bottle as putting a hand wash into it and using, because it is a pump thing, so it is more useful rather than throwing it away. You can use it as a hand wash in your washroom or something like that. So yeah, I can tell you this is my 6th purchase, and currently I am using one in my washroom as well, and I have to repurchase and stock them up. Okay, and this is very affordable as well. This is from Good Vibes, which is available on I think Amazon and on Purple. Okay, I'll be putting up the link in the description box so that it's more convenient for you. And this is priced at 270 rupees, and you get the product quantity, I don't know, I'll be mentioning right on the screen. Okay, and the smaller one is for 195 rupees. Okay, the same thing. I just love this face wash. If you are planning to invest on a very budget friendly face wash, you can just blindly go for Good Vibes face wash. Okay, after that I had to try this turmeric face wash again from the same brand Good Vibes. Okay, but it was turmeric deep cleansing face wash, but I didn't get that drastic result or something like that. It was like okay kind of face wash. So if you want, you can try this. It claims like it gives you good clear skin and all, and it was nothing of such sort. Okay, so charcoal one, 10 on 10, so you can take it. And this is also for 120 ml and will price you 195 rupees. So this is how it looks, and I will not recommend this, but I would recommend the charcoal one. Okay, so next product is again from Plum, and this is the face mist, a green tea revitalizing face mist. Okay, now this is my, I don't know, 12th or 13th bottle, I believe. I just love this face mist. I cannot compare this mist with any other brands, you know. I just love this and I highly recommend. This is priced at 360 rupees. Okay, and currently I have right on my vanity, I still have the product. So this is one, this is, and I have to repurchase it again and stock them up, okay, before that gets over. So this is the empty one, and the next one is from Pond's. It is their vitamin micellar water. So I had purchased two variants, and I think I had got another one with this in the same size, and I think I threw away that. I don't know, but it's a really nice micellar water. If you have to remove your makeup, then it's a good one. But I don't know if waterproof makeups are going to come off or not, because I tried. I had to struggle a lot to take off the waterproof makeup. But overall, it's a good micellar water at an affordable price. So the big bottle is for 299 rupees. This is the charcoal variant, okay, and comes with 250 ml of product quantity. So it's over. This is the brightening rose variant, and the smaller one is 105 ml, and price, I don't know. Okay, the price is for 125 rupees. So I recommend this. It is nice. You can use it. It's really nice micellar water. Suits all skin types. Okay, and the next product is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, normal to oily skin. So this is the foundation which is actually over. Okay, it has nothing in it. This is one of my favorite foundation. Like, I just love this foundation. I have no words to explain how beautiful this foundation, you know, the flawless look, you know, it gives a really nice look with this foundation. I don't know how many people love this or not, but I love this product. Okay, so this is 30 ml of product quantity, and my shade is 128 warm nude. Okay, and I think the pricing is pretty good. Yeah, the pricing is 549, and it comes with a pump. Before it used to not come with a pump, and now it comes with a pump, which is really good. I highly recommend this foundation. I just love it. So this is an empty bottle. Okay, and the next one is the Maybelline, again from Maybelline, Insta Age Rewind Eraser. It is multi-use concealer. So I have completely used it, as you can see. I think this is priced at 650 rupees. Now this concealer is really very nice. If you are planning to invest on a concealer, please buy the Maybelline one. It's super duper nice. Okay, so this is it, and the next product is from Bobbi Brown. I have an individual review about this moisturizer. Okay, this is the vitamin E vitamin E moisturizer from Bobbi Brown. As you can see, it's empty. It is priced at 990 rupees, I believe, and it is really tiny one, but it's the best moisturizer, and it gives you a flawless base when you apply this moisturizer. And I have to purchase the bigger one, but it is quite very expensive, and I think I need a little more time to purchase that moisturizer. Okay, so it's on my wish list. Let's see. Okay, and the next one is again from Maybelline Fit Me. It's their compact powder. There is an individual review about this compact. You can go and check it out on my channel. So I am in the shade 230 Natural Buff. This shade suits me perfectly. Okay, as you can see, I've hit the pan already. I think I can use it hardly once or twice. That is why I have included it in the empty haul. It's really nice. It comes with a puff, which is really good quality. I'll be repurchasing it, and I will be repurchasing the Maybelline foundation as well. Okay, and the next product is the Calabar Sindoor. Now even there is an individual review about this Sindoor as well on my channel. So if you haven't checked it out, please go and check it out. So this is priced at 136, which you get it on offer at 116 rupees. So yeah, this is totally dried out. I have completely used it. There is nothing left in this, and it's really nice. I have repurchased it, and I am currently using one. Okay, and the next one is a lip balm. It is from Nivea. Like you guys know, I think I love Laneige lip balm a lot. I was too addicted to that lip balm, and I cannot see anything else. But yes, it is on a pricier side, so I just want to try an affordable lip balm, you know, which everybody else also can afford. So I tried this Nivea one, and it's over, as you can see, and it's pretty good. Just wait for an individual review of this, it's coming up shortly. Okay, and the next one is these hand creams. As you can see, I have completely used them. Okay, this is from Colorbar, which comes in 3 set. Yeah, comes in a set of 3. Okay, so I don't recommend this hand creams. It's a utter waste investing on these hand creams. Does nothing to your hands. I don't know, it's just for the sake of packaging and fragrance, I believe, but it does not do anything. So I will not recommend this hand cream. Another one is just laying on my vanity, and I am not even using that hand cream. You will get an you have in video, I have uploaded a individual review about this hand cream. If you want, you can go and check it out on my channel as well. Okay, so this was it. And the next one is the Nykaa Skin Secret Sleeping Mask in the variant tea tree and aloe vera. This is how it looks, and I love this. I don't know, I just cannot explain how much I love this product. It's super handy and very affordable, works magically, and there is an individual review about this as well on my channel, so I will be giving the link in the description box so that you can go and check it out from there. And here as well, you can see I have completely used this up, and it's really nice if your skin is prone to acne and things. You must include this in your night skincare routine. It's really very nice. Okay, and the next one is Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Yes, this is the moisturizer. As you can see, I have completely used it. It's very expensive. Now it's from the brand Clinique. I think it is the price 890 rupees or something for this tiny little bottle, but it's an amazing moisturizer. I will be repurchasing when I have a lot of money, I believe. Okay, I'll be purchasing the bigger size, which is 4,650 something, because this is I don't know the ml. I'll just 15 ml of product. Okay, so 15 ml you're going to give 890, but it's really nice. I will be repurchasing this and the Bobbi Brown one. Bobbi Brown one is on my first wish list. Okay, and the next one is from Good Vibes. Again, it's Cherry Blossom hydrating hand cream. This is how it looks. Now this hand cream is really very nice. If you're planning to purchase a hand cream, then obviously you can go for this. I have completely used this hand cream anyway. Comes with 50 gram of product quantity and will cost you, okay, I don't know the pricing. I'll be putting up right on this left screen so that you can just check it out. But this hand cream is really nice. If you're looking for an affordable one, you can give this a try. Okay, and the next one is again from Nivea. It's their deodorant fresh natural long lasting fragrance, 48 hours protection. This is how it is, and I just love this. I have 3 more in stock, and currently I'm using 1. This is the total empty one, and I think 2 I already threw away because it got over. I forgot that I had to make a empty video. So this is the one which is really nice. You should have this with you. Okay, you will not have bad odor or something like that. So this is priced at 199 rupees. So it's good. You can buy them, and I will be repurchasing them. Okay, and the next one is from Face Shop. It is a foaming cleanser, Rise Water Bright. So this is a face wash again, 100 ml product quantity, which will cost you for 650 rupees. I love this face wash. It instantly brightens up your face, and I highly recommend this face wash as well if it's in your budget. Okay, this is next, and the next one is again from Plum. It is their foot cream. Okay, so I don't know, I'm having some cracks on my foot, and this is working amazingly, but you need to apply it regularly and continuously to see amazing results. So this video is coming up shortly. I'll let you know about this separately in a separate video. Okay, and the next product is a deodorant, again a body spray. This is from Tommy. It's Tommy Girl, and it's nice. Stays up to 3 hours, I think, 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, that's it. It's good. The fragrance is good, and yeah, it stays for 2-3 hours. If you're looking for a long 4-5 hours, and you should invest in something else. So this is priced at 165 rupees. Yeah, 165. If you want, you can give this a try. And this is an empty. I might purchase and I might not purchase because it's okay-ish. Okay. And the next one is again from Plum. It's their body loving body butter in vanilla vibes. The individual review is up on my channel about this. You can go and check it out. I love this. You know, there is another stock. You know, it's lying down on my vanity, as you can see, and I'm currently finishing up the body oil which I reviewed along with this one, and this I've completely used. Like total paisa vasuli I have done. I have not left anything. I have used completely. It's a really nice body butter, and the body oil is amazing as well. And this I have restocked again. I highly recommend this body butter if your skin is too dry. Okay. And the next is M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. Okay, so it's an empty bottle. I like the bottle. I finished it up and I cleaned it very nicely, and I've used it completely. If you are looking for a body scrub, you should invest in this. It's a really very nice body scrub, and I have repurchased. Another one is in my washroom. Okay, and you get a wooden spoon along with this. Okay, and I think the pricing is around 449 for this huge jar, and goes for a really long time. You don't have to purchase it every month, and obviously scrubbing you will not do it every day, alternative days. So it goes for a really long time. I highly recommend the scrub. Okay, and the next one is from Good Vibes again. It is the Skin Glow Face Scrub in the variant Rose Hip. This is it, and it's really nice. The face scrub is really nice. I've used it completely. Again, paisa vasuli I have done. Okay, and this is priced at 195 rupees. It's a good face scrub. If you're looking for a face scrub, you can invest on this. It's nice. Okay, and the next one is a contour powder. It is from the brand called Sugar. This is the one. I love people who love subtle contours and not too defined contours and things like that. You can buy this. This is the shade 02 Woody Wonder. I'll be reviewing this shortly. As you can see, the condition of this I've used a lot, and it's done. Okay, and the pricing is also too good. It's for 299 rupees, I believe. So you can purchase this if you're looking for a contour powder. And yes, the next product is the Nykaa Compact, which was just launched 3-4 months back, I think. And yes, I've completely used it. I love the compact. Really, the finish what this compact gives, you know, that matte look, it's amazing. And you can see, I think I can hardly use it for another 1 or 2 times. Okay, this is the condition of the compact. I've completely used, I think I'll use it twice, and that's it. I'll be repurchasing it. If you're looking for a good compact, good you know, coverage for compact, you can go for this. It's really very nice. Okay, and the next one is Fuel lipsticks. Now this is from Maybelline. I don't know if this is still available or not. This is the Maybelline lip gradation. Okay, this is the lipstick. It's really nice. I think I purchased it for 650 long back, and it's over completely. Like, it has nothing in it. Okay, I have used it till the last, and the color is really very beautiful. Let me quickly show you the shade. Okay, the shade is really nice. It's a fuchsia pink color. It's really nice if you're looking, and it gives you a matte look as well, but very moisturizing on your lips. Okay, so that is that. And the next one is from Faces. You can see the condition of the lipstick. I have to repurchase this. This is in the shade Peach on something like that, I believe, and it's really nice. It's a very nice nude color. Can you see the color? It's really nice. I will be repurchasing this again and again because I have not got this shade in any other brand. I don't know, maybe I haven't searched, but this shade is like really beautiful and suits so well. That's why I've kept this still, and I have to finish it and only then I'll be purchasing the face. I think the same thing comes in a mini version also, which is around 349 rupees. So yeah, I'll be putting up on the screen so it's more convenient for you to purchase. And the next lipstick is from K Beauty. Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. This is a beautiful shade and one of my favorite lipstick, I can tell you. This is in the shade Fertility. Okay, I think it is priced at 799 rupees. The shade is beautiful. It's a peach shade. Can you just see how beautiful the shade is? I mean, I just love. You can see I have used it totally. Like, this is the last, and I think I'll be still using it totally, and then I'll have peace of mind and buy a new one. Okay, so let's not waste product, no? Let's totally use it, and then, you know, we'll have that kind of peace in our mind and our heart and soul that, you know, we have properly used the money what we have spent on a cosmetic. Okay, and the next product is, okay, let me quickly see if I have missed anything. Okay, yeah, and the next one is from again Face Shop. It is a Rice Water Bright. It is a cleansing oil. I think this is priced at 999, and it comes with 150 ml of product quantity, and you need very little amount to take off all your makeup, and works amazingly. I will be you know, doing an individual review. That's why I have just kept a little bit for you guys to show how beautifully this removes even waterproof makeup. I love this, and I will be repurchasing this again. Okay, and the next product is, which I actually hate the most. I don't know why this happened to me, or it has happened to a lot of people. Okay, this is from the Good Vibes again. It is the gel body lotion. Okay, now this is how it looks. It's a pretty huge bottle, and I have got this for 465 rupees. Obviously I have got some discounts on this, but not that drastic discount. So this is for 465, and I have got let me tell you the product quantity of this. Okay, it's 500 ml. Okay, so 500 ml I have got for 465, and this somehow worked okayish to me, because according to me 465 is actually expensive. Okay, it is in the variant Strawberry, and it was okayish, and it worked okay. It is not like better and good also. It was okay, and I was like fine, and I want to try a different variant. Okay, so this is empty. As you can see, I have completely used this, and it was okay, and I want to try another variant. This is the Lavender Softening Body Lotion. Again, this is a little bit bigger than that. It is 500 ml. Yeah, overall 500 ml. Okay, so 400 ml actually it is, but 100 ml is free. I don't know what was the purpose of being free and things. The pricing is 425, and same yeah, 500 ml. Okay, now this was a disaster, I'll tell you. I don't know, whenever I apply this lotion, my skin tends to go dry like Sahara Desert, I think. Okay, like to that kind of an extreme level, and I haven't used this. I will not be using it. I don't know what to do with this. Okay, as you can see, I have just used till here, because I somehow wanted to use up the product, because I didn't want to waste money, you know, because I have invested on this, and 425 is not a less amount. Somehow I was trying it, but it didn't work end of the day. And if you are planning to purchase this from Good Vibes, please do not purchase. I don't like it at all, and worst experience from Good Vibes is this. Apart from that, all the Good Vibes products are good and really nice. This one, please do not purchase, and do not purchase the body lotion range. I don't know, I have just tried the 2 variant, and this is the condition. I will not recommend this, and I don't know, I will not be using this as well. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. So if you like the video, if you have loved the video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.